So in this question we have to match these foam, gel, aerosol and emulsion with these. So first we'll look at the right hand side. So first it's smoke. So smoke is generally comes in aerosol. So aerosol means particles, mainly liquid or solid particle in gaseous forms. So next is self-fluid. So self-fluid doesn't come in these categories, so it will be not an option. So jellies. So jellies come in gels, we know all that. So there is no option for rubber. And froth is some kind of a form, and we all know that milk is an emulsion. So the correct option would be first will be E, second will be C, jellies, third would be A, smoke, and fourth would be milk, F. So the correct option will be first. So look at the answer. So answer is first